Oh man, boy does this feel refreshing. Especially when you're all hot and sticky and sweaty, and then this thing cools you using the sweat, and it feels amazing, especially with a little breeze here in the air. On days like this, when spring is no longer and summertime's creeping in, and the kid still wants to go to the park daily, I'm happy to review this product here. It's from a company called Nodinsy, and it's a portable waist fan. Let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. Here it is. It's nice, good quality. It's actually a lot cooler than I thought it was going to be. Here's for your charging here. Got your cable for charging. You have a little strap. Secure it around the neck, waist, wherever you would like. And there's the power here. Let's power this thing on. Ooh, okay, right at the bat. Probably can't feel that, but I feel it. Under the shirt. What I like about this is it has little belt buckles here. You can clip it on your waist, and you could you have a display port here. You have a USB charging. You have a flood lamp. And it feels good. It's not too loud. I'm doing this video with it running. One's low, this is 5. Clearly if you go 5, you're gonna burn your battery faster, but this thing blows me away. Durable too, so when I'm running around this playground here, I have no fear. This thing will always be here, cool me off. If you're interested in this, see the link in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video. See you guys later. Bye.